What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express, and I'm back with a system for you carbureted guys who want power on a budget. This is the MainLine 1000. If you're a serious nitrous junkie on a tight budget, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Nitrous Express's MainLine Systems benefit from years of research and development that have made Nitrous Express the leader in nitrous technology, and at a price that even the most budget-restricted racer can afford. This system is just the basics. No frills, only rock-solid performance at rock-bottom prices. The ML1000 will outperform any other 250 horsepower carburetor kit on the market. We even guarantee it to make 250 real-world horsepower. Most of the competitors promise 250 horsepower, but their systems only produce 160 wheel horsepower. With an extremely simple install and only the highest quality parts, you can rest assured that we here at Nitrous Express have you covered. Get your gap insurance today at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. As always, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and I will see you next time.